guys, so today I'm doing a little fidget review, and I'm getting 2 fidget packs on May 18th. So one of them includes a Rainbow Among Us poppet and some other things, and the other one includes 4 poppets. So right now I'm showing you all my fidgets. So I have a Nike track, this dolphin thing, this plushie, this Kubota tractor thing, 2 silly bands. I've lost all my emojis. I gotta buy more. This thing, bike chain, infinity cube, puzzle ball, little heart. It's broken. I don't know where the other pieces are. This isn't necessarily a fidget, but I like it, so. Real diamonds and everything. This snake. This is really good quality, but I overpaid on Real Fidget Trading for this. I literally paid them a poppet for this eensy weensy thing because she really wanted a poppet, so these 2 things. And yeah, so that's all my fidgets. Bye!